Hello all, this is Nikum and I'm back with one more authentic job update for you with the complete guidance for FRI recruitment, that is your Forest Research Institute recruitment 2020. Okay, so post basically the recruitment is for the post technical assistant. Okay, there are 59 vacancies and it is direct recruitment. So basically just written test is there. Okay, so very good opportunity for you. If you did your BSc, okay, then you can definitely apply and to this central government job with the pay level 5. Okay, so basically this is the age limit for you, that is for open 30, OBC 33 and SC 35 years. Okay, so all the information related to this recruitment we will see now. So let's start our video. So basically important points related to this recruitment. Okay, so in notification they just give this line that temporary this recruitment is on temporary basis but likely to continue further. Okay, so now when you read this line, don't nervous, because obviously this is the line. Okay, they just put for the students who did not perform as per their mark. Okay, so obviously if you do not do your job sincerely, then obviously they will fire you at any time. But this will be surely, if you are a hardworking person, then this will be your permanent job. Okay, so don't worry about that. Second point is related to your posting. Okay, basically your posting will be in Uttarakhand only. Okay, that is in Dehradun, because FRI HQ is there. Okay, now the thing is that there are basically two posts. Okay, and you can apply to either of these posts. Okay, not two posts, either of these only. So basically one post is your BSc biological science, okay, with 37 posts, and one post is your physical science, BSc physical science, with 22 vacancies. Okay, if you have any of the one subject, okay, of this in your graduation or in your semester, then you can apply to the post. Okay, so if, for example, if you have botany in your syllabus, then obviously you can apply for biological science. If you have this any of this subject, okay, anyone, okay, anyone, so obviously you can apply to the physical science. Okay, so just see your curriculum and based on that apply to any one of the posts. So basically form starts from 18 August and it will close on 15 September. Okay, about exam date they didn't give any information, but surely obviously when they notify me, means us, then I will update you on the channel. Fees for open EWS OBC is 700 rupees. For SC ST female PWD candidates 300 rupees. The process is only written test. Okay, as we discussed earlier, and exam language will be English plus Hindi. So let's see the vacancy breakdown for biological science, biophysical science. Okay, so for biological science, for open 21 vacancies are there. For SC 8 vacancies, ST 0, OBC 4 vacancies, EWS 4 vacancies. For physical science, open 12, SC 3. Okay, for ST obviously there is no vacancies for both the posts, so you have to apply to open only for OBC 3 and EWS 3. So this was the vacancy breakdown for both the posts. Next is your exam center. So basically you have your exam center in Dehradun. Okay, so for now just consider it Dehradun, but if there are more applications, they may consider the few exam center, okay, in major cities across the India. Okay, because you can apply it from all over India. Okay, so don't worry. Now next important thing is your exam pattern. So basically there are 5 sections you have. First is your basic science, then your general awareness is there, then your reasoning is there, and then your maths or quant, you can say, is there. Okay, and then your English is there. So these 5 sections are there. Exam language is English and Hindi, as we discussed earlier. Negative marking is 0.33. Okay, time is 3 hours and questions are only 100. Okay, so 20 questions from each of these sections. Okay, so obviously about this syllabus we will discuss in our strategy video, okay, which I will upload soon for FIRI recruitment 2020. Also I will give you study kit for non-tech syllabus. Okay, the few PDFs are there which are enough for your preparation. WhatsApp and Telegram group link I will share in this video, that is your strategy video 2020. Now the important thing is that if you have any doubt, okay, any query about this recruitment, then just comment below. I will address it soon. Okay, and if you like my hard work, then just press the like button. If you are new to the channel, then you have to subscribe and you have to press the bell icon, so that the next update on and more update about the job recruitment will be notify you. Okay, so let's start our preparation journey for FRI recruitment 2020 under the guidance and selection by me. All the best.